Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing, as you guys read down in the title, 310 Nutrition. Now 310 Nutrition basically specializes in making meal replacement shakes. They have teas, they have those hydrating packets, I think that's what you call them. I'm about to share that in a minute, but they have just different types of things that you can try. Now the reason why I wanted to try the 310 Nutrition is because I actually have, it's funny because I actually have been looking for like shakes that will actually be filling, because in the past I always do like smoothies and they're not filling at all, and then I always have to use something else. So they sent the influencer kit, and then I got this box, and it says today I changed my story, 310 Nutrition, as well as their social media links. Now I personally decided that to film at 5 a.m. so I won't insert, probably will be in the beginning of this video, a short clip, but I'll walk you guys through what I did really essentially. So of course, so as you open it, and on the side says 3 Nutrition, they just have like their, you know, label and logo. So in this influencer kit you get, well, this was the baggie, but you guys saw this was just holding all the shakes in it. First things first, you get this. They give you all this in there. Now one shake is not here, but I will mention it, the one that I already tried. I got a total of 4 shakes, as well as these hydrate strips, but I will get into that in a second. And an extra that they gave me is the B12 Melt. So first things first, they give you this. It says a fresh start, getting the most out of your starter kit, and it says find flavors and establish a routine. Then they also just say more than shakes, like I said. So they have these things, these hydrated stuff that you can put, like, I guess, in water. They have teas, like I mentioned. They also looks like they have different like green packets as well. This is a vegan based company, so that's also good to know, because if you are vegan or you want to just drink healthier ingredients, I'm not vegan, but healthier ingredients probably is better. So that's all that. And then also you can earn points if you refer. I'm just seeing this today. Actually, like I said, I didn't thoroughly go through as far as this pamphlet, because I just wanted to show you guys how I kind of made the shake. But yes, you can earn rewards and stuff like that if you refer friends. Now getting to the products. So first things first, I actually already used this bottle, so that's why everything's hooked. But originally everything was like covered in plastic inside, and this was also in plastic. So you give you the standard bottle. It says 310 Nutrition on it. And then it's like all the standard. If you ever had any smoothies or like shakes or from any brands, I've had other ones in my house. Then you get this thing that goes inside. I forgot, I don't know, I never understood what this was really for, but you always get this standard stuff that goes inside. And then they also have this little clip, I guess, to, if you don't want to hold it like this in your hand, you can just hold it by the clip, and that way you're holding it like this instead of just holding it like that. So I think that's why this clip came, for that reason. But yeah, so I already used this, but this is that. Then they give you, like I said, 4 flavors. The flavor I tried was vanilla. I really love that flavor. I still have to try out, I have the tasted toasted coconut. And I have the chocolate flavor. And I have the salted caramel left as well. Now I'm assuming every influencer kit box is obviously different in terms of the flavors you have. 1, 2, for you guys, it probably will be different flavors as well, but there is a starter kit like the one I got, just the shakes only, for like $9 if you want to get the 4 servings I got. Of course I have 3 right now because I used one, but which I think that's not bad. $9 to just try these 4 shakes, see how you like it. Now each of these shakes are the 1 serving size. They do have the bigger packet, of course, more money for those, but they have these. Now what I will say about this, I didn't read the nutrition facts, but it looks like all of the calories on this is 110, which is actually not bad at all. And I will say definitely that is filling. Now you'll see in the clip it kind of cut off. I did use fruits though, not veggies, sorry, fruits. So pretty much how it works is you pour this shake. It's supposed to be into a blender. I did use my blender. I don't use it often, so I'm normally used to using my NutriBullet, but I thought the consistency would be different, so that's why I did the blender. Anyway, so you just pour one in the shake. It's 1 serving thing, so you pour the whole packet. Then you add milk, or you can do a milk alternative. I just did regular milk, but you can do whatever, you know, milk preference you like. I would say be very, like, know how to portion your milk, because I put a little bit too much, so I had a little extra left of the shake, and literally, like, my shake filled all the way to the top, so the rest I kind of just drank it, and then that was it. It was definitely filling, so filling too. I feel like that's why I said be kind of like wary of how much milk you use, because I think I put too much milk, but then it also was so filling that I was like, I can't drink anymore. But it was filling in a good way that I actually wasn't hungry until later in the day for lunchtime. So it actually made me feel full, as opposed to other times where I do like a regular smoothie or shake and I'm just like, by 2-3 hours I'm already hungry again. So I will say hands down, this is a good, definitely meal replacement if you want to be full for longer. It definitely did that for me that day, because like I said, I had the shake about, I think, 7 a.m. Before I started work, and I don't eat lunch. I didn't eat lunch till like 1. What time did I eat lunch? Yeah, I ate lunch around 1 o'clock. So that's what, a span of 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 6 hours, and I was still full. So yeah, I will say that about this. Now the next thing, I haven't tried it yet, so I can't really tell you guys. If you guys want me to do an updated review, I don't mind. But yeah, so the next part is these. Now I don't believe, again, if you get, it depends on the kit you get, but I got the influencer kit, so I think they just kind of gave me a little bit of almost everything. They have these hydrate packets, and I know this is definitely like those you put in your water and then you mix it together. These, I have 3 flavors. I got the strawberry, the peach mango, and the lemon lime. And they just say it's supposed to recharge, restore. It says this is, yeah, they all just say rehydrate, recharge, restore, and it's just different. It's an electrolyte drink. It's a dietary supplement, so I guess you can like probably drink this in the morning. I've gotten this before and I drank it, but like I just use it. It's nothing major. I feel like it'll be something you can put like in the day just to have some type of extra, you know, things for your immune system and stuff like that, and to keep you alert. So I'll try it, but I've tried something similar to this. So it's just like it's kind of like putting I forgot what that, vitamin C in drinking your water. So it's kind of the same concept. You just pour this in, you mix it in, make sure it's mixed well into your water, and then go by your day. So that's these, but I haven't tried those yet. And lastly, I tried one today, and what I can say first, hands down, you know, if you know me personally and you've been watching me for a long time as well, I don't like taking pills. Even in my adulthood, I don't like taking pills. So if I can find a tablet, I'm set. So this was an extra incentive that they gave me. This was actually not included in the influencer kit, but they did add it in mine. They told me they were going to add it, and this is their B12 Melt, and I got the berry flavor, I believe. Yes, mixed berry flavor. Now, it comes with 30 tablets. They're just overall geared towards weight loss, which you guys know I'm trying to lose weight. So this is also perfect as well. This basically is a 1-month supply. I started using it today to try it out because I just never got a chance to do it, and I kind of just, so today I tried one out. Tastes good. It's just like a regular like candy. They do say to not, you know how sometimes you'll have certain tablets, I mean I've done it where sometimes I dissolve it, allow it to dissolve, and sometimes I just chew it and like whatever. They said for this one, allow it to dissolve fully, and then like that's how you would take it. And so yeah, just 30 tablets, and it just says quick dissolving, energy support, gluten free. So yeah, I will continue to use this every day for the 30 days. For me, I think hands down already, I will tell you guys, the shakes is where it's at for me, and I would definitely go and repurchase probably the bigger size. Now I did read, it depends on you. The shakes generally you can get, like for example, if I decided to get the toasted coconut, the bigger bag, 14 servings is $39. Now you could get subscribe and get like about $10 off, or you can do the, I forgot what it is, 28 servings, I can't remember, but something like that. That one is 68. Personally, preference wise, I would probably go for the $39 one, just because I can just go about kind of portioning in terms of the shake, because one day maybe like I don't have time and I don't have time to make the shake. I mean, you can also probably do it at nighttime too. That's probably a good nighttime replacement, because then you don't have to think about eating bad food late. I'd rather just pick up this, but I know, at least I know this actually will keep me full. But generally, I like to drink like shakes, I feel like in the morning. But it's kind of, I guess, your preference. But this is something I definitely will purchase. So far I haven't tried the other ones to fully say like which one I want to purchase, but the vanilla one is one I definitely want to repurchase to use, because sometimes, like I said before, I wanted to have a difference in my different my different breakfast options. I don't always want to have eggs. I don't always want to have bread. I just want to have some different stuff. And if I can have a shake that actually holds me over, because like I said, I've tried some smoothies and it didn't hold me over for long, then yeah. And I'm gonna tell you right now, just because I got an influencer kit, I'm gonna be 100% with you. But like I said, right now I'm definitely I'm repurchasing already, hands down, because I do like the taste of the shakes, and it actually did leave me feeling full the whole day. And I'm trying to remember if there's anything else that I didn't mention. They actually, what's cool too, I didn't notice this, I just looked at it now, they also have recipes. You can, click on that QR code, and they list the, I guess, different recipes that you can try. But like I said, it's really self-explanatory with the shakes as well. You just pour this shake, you pour your whatever fruits you want to put in there in the milk, and it's filling. And I think also it comes with this, because generally I do fruits and milk sometimes and I'm full but not too long, but I think the shake definitely gives you that extra thing. And the last thing I forgot to mention also, the consistency is like creamy consistency, so it's not watered down. Mine was definitely creamy, to keep that in mind. But this is just like a powder, but once you put all the ingredients together. And if you want to, they also recommend you can put ice in yours. I didn't last time because I already had a frozen fruit, so it was pretty much cold already. But if you want that extra like coldness to your drink, you can put ice in it as well. But I did get a coupon link, not a code, a link. So if you use the link, you'll get percentages off, so keep that in mind. I will leave the link down on the screen, but I also leave it in the description box. If you are interested, you will get 15% off your purchase. Now, the link will be down below. Click the link. Gotta use the link to get the 15% off if you are interested. If you guys want an update, I'll give you guys an update, and I'll let you guys know my further thoughts about this brand. But other than that, make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, you hit the notification button, subscribe button, so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.